Your core is a complicated network of muscles. It contains your ab muscles, back muscles, and the muscles near your pelvis. Fundamentally, your core is all the muscles in your torso. So, a strong core assists you in different ways. How to increase core strength and stability. Stay tuned to this video on parshealthttv to find out. Number 8. Swimming Superman. Of course, real, actual, in-water swimming is excellent for your core. Still, a static stretching of your hips and upper back will also strengthen your glutes and core. We added the swimming activity at the end to make the entire exercise harder. Lie on your stomach and raise your feet and arms slightly off the floor as you tighten your abs and glutes. From here, bring the hands toward the face and flex your elbows. Now, begin swimming. Straighten the arms so your hands sweep out on either side before getting them back to your face again and back up. Make sure they are balanced for the whole exercise. Number 7. TRX Row. The suspension trainer may get little love in the gym, but for your core, it's necessary. Try utilizing one of these without engaging your core. Set up your suspension trainer, so the grips hinge at chest height, and hold onto them with your feet hip width apart. Lean back until your arms are outstretched, and pull your chest up, holding your elbows near your body while pressing the shoulder blades together behind you. The chest and hands should meet. Stay at the top of the movement, then gradually lower until your arms are opened again. Number 6. Dragon Flag. You're working so much more than your abdominal with this exercise. Your upper body, glutes, hip flexors, and lower back will all have to support you, making it an excellent activity for building core stability. Lie back and have the bench behind your head. Flex your knees and kick your legs towards the ceiling, getting your backside and back off the bench. Gradually move your body back down to the beginning position, then repeat the movement. You're just going against gravity and dropping under control, so you're eccentrically extending under gravity. Once you do anything with your legs and they begin lowering, you begin to get that anterior tilt. An individual's lower back tends to tweak if they're not fundamentally strong. A coaching point I'd give for this is to bend the knees to decrease the amount of tension on the hip flexors because that will lessen the amount of pull on your pelvis. Number 5. Barbell Rollout. Rollouts challenge and engage the entire core, but be cautioned the more challenging the move gets further you go. Load a barbell with 5 kg plates and hold the bar with an overhand, shoulder width grip. Place your shoulders straight over the barbell and gradually roll the bar forwards. Pause, then reverse the movement. Roll out to a challenging distance, but don't push your hips to sag. If you like the video, give a thumbs up button, and never forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Number 4. Cable Wood Chop. While we want to simulate rotational activities that are essential to most sports and people's everyday lives, we don't constantly want to do them sitting on the floor. The cable wood chop is a wonderful way to integrate rotational activities, strengthening the core, but working in a standing pose will mean working more muscles. Set the cable to the most elevated pulley position. With your side to the cable, hold the handle with one hand and step away from the tower. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and catch up with the free hand to grasp the same handle. With arms fully lengthened, pull the handle down and across your body to your front knee while turning your torso. Rotate your back foot and flex your knees. Return to the beginning pose gradually under control. Try to do workouts while standing because, apparently, the amount of time you spend on the floor is relatively low. Once you get onto the floor, you're decreasing the number of joints contributing to that activity. In contrast, in everyday life, everything's got to work when you're walking. Number 3. Turkish Get Up. The Turkish get-up will improve stability, balance, mobility, and strength. Lie down and have a kettlebell just above your left shoulder. Open your left arm and push the kettlebell directly above you, straightening your right arm to your side. Flex your left knee and move it across the body, putting your foot on the ground. Watch the kettlebell, still at arm's length above you, as you push into a standing position. Gradually reverse the motion until you're lying down, then get the kettlebell back down to the shoulder. Be cautious with this one. Although the Turkish get-up seems simple, there's so much going on that Burton orders it as an advanced movement. It's tough to stabilize the weight above the head, but then driving from the floor to standing is a whole other ballgame because you've got to focus on other aspects of your core, not just strength but also coordination, balance, your perception of where the joints are, so now you're talking about proprioception and being aware of what you're performing. Number 2. Hanging leg raises. Few moves can compare with hanging leg raises if you want to build abs and improve your core strength and stability. Hold a pull-up bar and drop yourself into a dead hang. Allow your legs to straighten and stretch your pelvis back a little. Tighten your core and lift your legs until your thighs are perpendicular to your core. Keep them lower gradually back to the starting position. The further away your legs are, you make a longer lever, but that lever pulls on the pelvis. If you've got the stability within to do that, then awesome. But with most individuals, I ask them to do it with a little bent knee and their toes internally turned, just slightly, because that internal rotation is going to extend your glutes, so you're going to get more glute help. That will keep your pelvis and lower the load on your hip flexors, which is why individuals struggle with hanging leg raises because their hip flexors are tight, hurting the pelvis. Number 1. Bear crawl. Crawling similar to a bear may make you feel slightly silly in the gym, but it will build full body stability, balance, and coordination. Worth a few weird looks. We're sure you'll agree. Place your palms on the ground, resting on your toes, your knees hovering above the floor, and your back is flat. From here, crawl forward on your hands and toes, with your feet and knees kicking out slightly wider than your hands to induce speed. Then move backward on hands and toes to return to the beginning. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it. And please share our videos with your friends to support our team. Thank you, guys, for tuning in. Are you looking for more amazing videos? Check out the videos popping up on the right and the left of your screen. Hope you have a wonderful day.